Hello friends, thanks for tuning in. I'm Big Matt, and today we're going to be taking a final look at this TASCAM 22-2 that I've featured in the last several videos. I'm going to be putting this unit on the auction block. It'll be on Reverb, Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and a few other places. Or if you're interested in this unit and you live somewhere close to the Charlotte, North Carolina area, you're more than welcome to drop by anytime and give it a test drive. I'm going to go over the controls and indicators on this unit and also give you a brief description about it. This TASCAM 22-2 is a 2-track unit, a very compact 2-track unit that plays tapes up to 7 inches in diameter. It runs at 7.5 and 15 inches per second, which is the higher speeds. Most of the consumer machines run at 3 3/4 and 7.5. Much better fidelity at these speeds, especially at the 15 inches per second setting. The trade-off is you're going through twice as much tape as you would with a 3 3/4 or a 7.5 inch setting. Excuse me. The recordings are phenomenal on this unit. You'll get excellent reproduction from whatever source you use. If you have some LPs that you want to sort of preserve, this would be a great unit to record those LPs onto, and use this tape deck to play the music back, as opposed to wearing down your LPs. As I mentioned, we're going to go over the controls and indicators on this unit. If some of this information is redundant to you, or you're very familiar with these machines, you might want to fast forward this for another couple of minutes until we get to the demonstration part of it. This side is your supply side reel. This is your take-up reel. The tape is threaded beneath this pinch roller over this roller beneath the head stack. This is a 3-head unit. There's an erase head here, a record head right here, and a playback head right here. This little silver piece right here is the capstan. It's driven by a belt and a motor, and that motor spins a big flywheel. This capstan is attached to the end of that flywheel, and it spins, and when this pinch roller is lifted, when you press play, that pinch roller presses against the tape, and the tape presses against the capstan, and the capstan motor pushes the tape out onto the take-up reel. The path continues between the capstan and the pinch roller, over this guide roller, beneath this tension arm, and onto the the take-up reel. This is your headphone input or headphone output. You plug your headphones in here, and you'll hear whatever's going on with the tape deck. These are your left and right microphone inputs, left and right VU meters. This knob controls the microphone input levels. This one controls the line input levels, and you plug in your signal from your CD, your other tape deck, or your PC. You plug that into the rear of the machine. This is your input, 2 RCA jacks, and this is your output. The input comes from your source. This output goes to your amp or receiver. Okay, these two buttons are the tape source switches for the left and the right channels. When they're out, you're monitoring what's being played on the tape. When you depress them, then you're monitoring what's coming into the machine from your source. These two switches enable the record function. If they're pressed in and you press play and record at the same time, the unit will go into record, and it'll record whatever source signal you have coming into the machine. And this is your output level. You can control how loud or soft the sound is reproduced from the tape. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Very straightforward unit. This thing is easy to use as any cassette deck. Threading it is very simple and straightforward. Just a really neat, compact 2-track unit. I'm going to load a song onto my excuse me, onto my PC, and we're going to play a song from YouTube, and we'll monitor it through the tape source switches. I'll have to plug in my inputs to my PC. Bear with me 1 second, please. Okay. And this is the input coming into the tape deck. I'm going to put it into record mode. Press the pause switch. Okay, now we're recording the song, but we're listening to what the music coming into the machine. This is the actual recording. Young girls, they do get that same old childish dress, and we're recording at 7.5 inches per second right now. We'll kick it up to 15 inches per second shortly. And we're monitoring this song on the Pioneer system in the background. Second. Again, this is the TASCAM 22-2 reel to reel. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time.